Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You must not attempt forced entry. That can damage the car, void warranties, or create legal trouble. Instead, start by confirming ownership and gathering ID. This speeds help. Call roadside assistance or your insurer right away. They have trained technicians and insurance coverage for lockouts. If your carmaker's app or subscription supports remote unlock, use it now. This is often the fastest, damage-free solution. Once done, make sure to note ETA and any reference numbers for follow-up. You want a professional who minimizes risk and preserves resale value. Locksmiths are trained to pick or use specialized tools without harming locks. When the locksmith arrives, confirm identity and ask for a written estimate before work begins. This avoids surprises. If the car uses electronic locks or key fobs, explain symptoms so they bring the right equipment. Once they start, observe and ask questions. Transparency helps prevent accidental damage and ensures you understand any follow-up, like rekeying. You must act immediately if someone is trapped or in danger. Call emergency services first. They can safely access the vehicle. If help is delayed, document the situation, time, location, and the numbers you called. Photos can help with later insurance or police reports. For future prevention, arrange a secure spare key with a trusted contact or enable a manufacturer key app and confirm roadside coverage. If a solution fails, contact your dealership for safe, manufacturer-approved access options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.